Good morning or good afternoon. In today's guide, we're going to be looking at milestones, specifically what's in them and how they work. Milestones will usually be one of three colours: green, grey or red. If they're green, that means they're completed, grey means they're waiting to be completed, and red means they've passed their intended completion date. If you want to edit the completion date of milestones, you can do this in the setup area when you're editing the workflows. If you have permission to do this, please watch our other video on how that works. For now, I'm going to hover over the Receive Instructions milestone here. When I do this, I get a nice little pop-up window with some information in it and also some tasks. I can see here that I can add a note, or I can mark the milestone as complete. This is handy if you want to do these things quickly, instead of having to go to different buttons on the case. I'm going to click on the Receive Instruction milestone, which is going to take me into it. We have a couple of panels to go over, namely the to-do list here, which is your item list of things you need to do on this case. Each to-do can either be marked as not applicable, like that, or marked as done. Some to-dos may require you to only mark them as done. Some to-dos may also be compulsory. You can tell if a to-do is compulsory because this asterisk here will be highlighted in black. If it's grey, that means that it's not compulsory. Compulsory to-dos will stop you from marking the milestone as complete up here unless they are completed. On the right hand side we have our document actions. We have Generate PDF Legal Form for when you want to generate legal forms such as your TR1s, AP1s, RX3s, and your Law Society forms such as your TA 10, 7 and 6. We have Generate Completion Statement, which will generate the final itemized bill for the case. Generate Invoice, which generates an invoice. Generate Fee Illustration, which will generate you a fee illustration, which is kind of like an interim invoice for smaller fees. And we have the onboarding and digital signatures area. If you use us for digital onboarding, you'll be able to view the requests or documents sent to the client here and edit them all in bulk. Just below that we have our documents list. The documents list contains our letters that are specific to this milestone, although you can view all documents on the case in one go. I'll cover how to do that in a different video. We have an attach document button here, which if you click this will allow you to attach a letter of your choice to this specific milestone. We can add a blank letter if you want to add a letter that you want to edit to put whatever you want into it or shape it in the way that you want it to be. With the letters or documents attached to this milestone, we can click the View button here to go and view them. We can also see that these letters have red dots next to them. If the dot is red, it means it hasn't been sent or shared with the client. If it's yellow, that means it has. This is a good way to check to see if letters have been sent correctly. To the left hand side of that we have our notes area, where if you click this button here, you can add notes. We have our diary entries and reminders area, where if you click this button, you can add diary entries or reminders for this specific case. To the right of that we have the document upload box, where you can drag and drop any documents you want to put into this specific milestone. If you do this, they will be available in the documents area, where you can see all of the different documents. Underneath that we have task information, which just explains a little bit more about this specific milestone. I hope you found this helpful. As always, if you have any questions, pop us a call, send us an email. We're always happy to help. Thank you for watching.